Okay, so I did have a look to see if we had a instructions on how to put sound into Construct, and I don't think I've got anything written down. And to be honest, I'm a bit too busy to be putting that together at the moment, so I thought I'd put a quick video together to show you how to do it, and then you can follow along if you get stuck. So remember, when you're downloading sounds, you want to download WAV files, so .wav. There's some links posted up on Teams for where you can download those. MP3s are okay, but they don't always work. Okay, so what you're going to do once you've got your sounds downloaded is you're going to look on the project bit here, go down to sound effects, right click and go to import sounds. Now you can drag and drop those sounds if you've got them somewhere, or you can just click on the button there and click on the sound you want to import, click open, and you'll see that it encodes it as it's uploading it there. We can click import and that will go into the sound bin there. Okay. In order to use sound, you have to have the sound added to the actual project. So just like with any other project, you double click and we've got these components, these plugins that we can use. We want to go down to media and there's audio, and it'd be the same if you wanted to put video or other things in, but there's our audio. Don't need to give it a name, click insert, and now we can use audio in our project. So we don't actually drag the audio to the layout or anything. All we do is we tell the audio where to kick in. So let's say I have this little bit of audio. Let's just push those so you can see the code a little bit better. I've got this bit of code here that says when I press A on the gamepad, spawn a bullet. That bullet will then shoot off because it's got the bullet behavior on layer 3. So I also want a sound to accompany that so you can hear the bullet being fired. So I click add action, click on the audio plugin. Yep, so that's for plain old audio. Click next, and then you've got a bunch of different things you can do. You don't need to get really fancy with this, and don't use the play at object because it doesn't do what you think it does, so it doesn't work very well. You'll have all sorts of problems. Just play sound. Okay, so play audio. Click next. You should have a list of sounds here. These are all the sounds you imported, so click on the one you want. If it's music or something that will be playing in the background like atmosphere, then you will want it to loop, but this is every time we fire we want this sound to occur, so not looping. Remember the volume at 0, that's the basic volume for that sound. Sounds come in with their own inherent volume. If you want that sound to be a lot louder, then push this number up into the positive numbers. If you want it to be quieter, push it down into the negative. And do give it a tag, something nice and easy to remember with a lowercase, all lowercase. So this is important for music because you'll want to stop music at the end of the layout or when somebody dies, and then it restarts when the layout restarts. Okay, so click done, and now along with generating a bullet when I press A, it will also play that sound. If I wanted to stop the sound, then you can add an audio action to stop. But remember, when it says stop, all it wants is the tag. So whatever tag you gave the sound you want to stop, that's what you put in there. And that's because you might have multiple instances of the same sound and you only want one of them to stop. That's why they use the tag and not just the sound in general. Okay, so that is how you get sound into Construct and how you'll use it. Do use the links online and have a great Christmas. See you later.